Hello guys, today I will show you the best Mido watches based on specifications. Please subscribe to my channel for more video and, if you have any question, please comment in a comment section.
Number 9.
Mido Commander Shade Blue Dial Watch is a stylish and contemporary twist on the classic Mido Commander line. Here's a breakdown of its key features to see if it aligns with your watch preferences. Modern design with classic elements. Stainless steel case with black PVD coating. Provides a sleek and modern look while maintaining the durability of stainless steel. PVD coating refers to a physical vapor deposition process that creates a thin, decorative, and sometimes protective layer on the metal. Blue dial offers a distinctive and contemporary look compared to the traditional silver dials of the Commander line. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal protects the watch face from scratches and ensures clarity. Integrated black stainless steel mesh bracelet provides a comfortable and sporty look that complements the overall aesthetic. Swiss-made quality and functionality. Mido Automatic Caliber 80 ETA CO7.821 base. A reliable and updated automatic movement building on the ETA heritage. This caliber boasts an impressive power reserve of up to 80 hours, meaning the watch will continue to run for that time even when not worn. Water resistance up to 50 meters, 5 ATM. Suitable for everyday wear and can withstand splashes or light rain, but not ideal for swimming or diving.
Number 8.
Mido Multi-Fort Patrimony Blue Dial Men's Watch is a dress watch that combines classic design with modern functionality. Here's a breakdown of its key features to help you decide if it aligns with your watch preferences. Classic design with modern touches. Stainless steel case provides a polished and sophisticated look, suitable for both everyday wear and dressier occasions. Blue dial offers a distinctive and elegant look compared to traditional black or white dials.
Luminous hands and markers ensure readability in low light conditions, maintaining a classic look with a touch of modern functionality. Pulsimeter scale contributes to the overall classic look and offers a comfortable fit. Swiss-made quality and performance. Mido Caliber 80 ETA CO7.821 base. A reliable automatic movement known for its accuracy and durability. This caliber boasts an impressive power reserve of up to 80 hours, meaning the watch will continue to run for that time even when not worn. Water resistance up to 50 meters, 5 ATM. Suitable for everyday wear and can withstand splashes or light rain, but not ideal for swimming or diving.
Number 7. Mido Multi-Fort Chronograph Men's Watch is a versatile timepiece that combines sporty aesthetics with chronograph functionality. Here's a breakdown of its key features to see if it aligns with your watch needs. Sporty style. Stainless steel case provides a polished and durable base for the watch. Multiple dial variations, offers a range of color options, black, blue, silver, and finishes, matte, sunray, to suit your style preference. Chronograph subdials. Typically 3 subdials for measuring elapsed seconds, minutes, and possibly hours, depending on the model. Adds a sporty look and timing functionality. Tachymeter scale. Marked around the dial bezel, it's used to calculate speed based on travel time, another feature that complements the sporty aesthetic. Leather strap or stainless steel bracelet. The leather strap offers a comfortable and slightly more casual feel, while the bracelet provides a polished look. Swiss-made quality and functionality. Mido Caliber 13 ETA 2836-2 base or Caliber 60 ETA A05 H31 base automatic movement. Both movements are known for their reliability and accuracy. The Caliber 60 offers extended power reserve compared to the Caliber 13. Water resistance up to 100 meters, 10 ATM. Suitable for swimming and handling splashes, making it more versatile than some dress watches. Number 6. Mido Multi-Fort Dual Time Black Dial Watch.
Black PVD stainless steel case with a black croco embossed leather strap. Fixed black PVD bezel. Black dial with luminous black hands and index hour markers. 24-hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog. Automatic movement scratch-resistant sapphire crystal case shape. Case size 42 mm. Case thickness 13.5 mm. Bandwidth 22 mm. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions: date, GMT, second time zone, hour, minute, second. Multifort Dual Time Series. Casual watch style, Swiss made. Number 5. Mido Ocean Star Diver Blue Dial Watch is a well-regarded timepiece known for its blend of style, functionality, and Swiss-made quality, making it a compelling option for divers and watch enthusiasts who appreciate robust and attractive watches. Here's a breakdown of its key features to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. It boasts a water resistance rating of 200 meters, 660 feet, suitable for recreational scuba diving and other water activities. Unidirectional rotating bezel. This allows you to track elapsed dive time, a crucial feature for divers. Stainless steel case. Provides a robust and corrosion-resistant exterior, ideal for withstanding the challenges of underwater environments. Sapphire crystal. Scratch-resistant and offers excellent clarity for underwater readability. Screw-down crown. Helps ensure water resistance by keeping the crown firmly in place. The case diameter can vary depending on the specific model, typically ranging from 42 mm to 44 mm. Number 4. Mido Commander Icon. Anthracite Dial Men's Watch. Black PVD stainless steel case with a black PVD stainless steel mesh bracelet. Fixed black PVD bezel. Anthracite dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog. Mido Caliber Powermatic 80 automatic movement with an 80-hour power reserve. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Case size 42 mm. Case thickness 11.42 mm. Bandwidth 24 mm. Fold-over slip-through clasp. Water resistant at 50 meters. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Casual watch style. Swiss made. Number 3. Mido Baroncelli III White Dial Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. White dial with silver-tone Dauphine style hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog. Mido Caliber 1192 automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Case size 39 mm. Case thickness 6.95 mm. Bandwidth 20 mm. Fold-over clasp with a push-button release. Water resistant at 30 meters. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Casual watch style, Swiss made. Number 2. Mido Ocean Star Blue Dial Watch. Silver-tone stainless steel case and bracelet. Unidirectional rotating silver-tone stainless steel bezel with an inlaid blue ring. Blue dial with silver-tone hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands, automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size 40.5 mm. Case thickness 13.4 mm. Bandwidth 21 mm. Fold-over clasp with a safety release. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions: date, day, hour, minute, second. Sport watch style, Swiss made. Number 1. Mido Baroncelli Watch. Stainless steel case with a brown leather strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Anthracite dial with rose gold tone Dauphine style shape hands and indexed hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog.
Mido caliber 80 COSC-C base ETA C07.821 automatic movement with an 80-hour power reserve. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Pull-push crown. Case size 40 mm. Case thickness 9.43 mm. Bandwidth 20 mm. Deployment clasp. Water resistant at 30 meters. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Casual watch style, Swiss made.